Yo, how's it going, guys? So today I actually got a new headphones. This was actually given to me by Logitech. If you guys don't know, I actually recently created an advert for them. So I posted the advert on Twitter. Luckily enough, they saw it due to all my followers tagging them. Thanks to all you guys. So I actually received this headphones yesterday, but I was out all day so I didn't get to unbox it. So I'm here now. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Logitech G Pro X Wireless. Quite a long name, but yeah. So let's just get this unboxed. Don't want to waste any time. Open it here. See how nice the box is. Like, it's a really premium headset. Like, this headset actually costs £200, and I wouldn't really spend £200 on the headphones. Lucky enough, I got this headset for free as a gift from Logitech. Thanks to them. Let's open up here. Actually looks pretty nice. Here we go. So I think here we have the little dongle adapter that we can plug into my PC. Pretty nice adapter here. Quite small, simple. That's good to see. Alright. Let's see what wires we have here. Oh, we don't. These are some more leather cushions, like extra ones that you can use. I don't know if I will use those. Alright, I think I just pull this up. Yep. Alright, let's have a look. Wow. They're pretty, I don't know if they're heavy or not, but they feel quite heavy actually. Alright, let's see if we can get this out. It's quite nice. Oh wow, they actually, wow. Okay, let's see if we can get these out. And I can tell you see how they feel. Ooh, that is nice. You guys can see how shiny that is. Wow, is that probably a finger? Yeah, fingerprint. Okay, they are pretty simple. There's no like, you know, like crazy lights on it. It's not a light show, but yeah, wireless as well. So let's just see what ports we have here. So first we have a mute switch, mic mute switch. Then we have a volume. Oh, it's quite smooth. Okay, we have, I think it's a power on button, and a USB type C connector, and also a little port so we can connect the mic that should come already in the box. Okay, let's put this to the side. Let's open this up. Some paperwork. Obviously we don't need that. Some more paperwork, don't need that. Oh, okay, so we have this box to the side. It looks like we have a really nice, you know, bag for the headphones if you're traveling with them. I don't think I'll be traveling with my headphones. I'll probably just, you know, keep them on my PC setup. Alright, so first we have is the attachable mic. Oh, looks pretty nice. Nice, you can just like, you know, move it around and stuff like that. Looks pretty good. But I don't think I'll be using this because I already have a mic that's up here that I'm using actually at the moment. And then we have some more cables. This is just the USB type A to USB type C. This is just, you know, if you run out of power. This should last, I think it's 10 hours, so should be enough. But here's the cable, you know, if you need to charge it and that. Yeah, so let's get it set up. Alright guys, before I set up, here are my current headphones. They are the Logitech G430s. They're not too bad, they're pretty good. These are over-ear headphones. And yeah, so let's unplug this one. Let's get the new one plugged in. These are my normal headphones. These are the headphones I'm using currently right now. Let's unplug these. Dongle. Let's plug it straight into the back of my PC. Right, there we go, it's in. Look, you can see it's recognized it. Pro X Wireless Gaming Headset. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put them on now. I don't know if I can just switch it on and put them on. Wait, it works. Wow, that's actually, they feel actually pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. Well, that probably wraps up the unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And I'll see you guys in another video.